नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है दीपक तिवारी और आप देख रहे हैं स्पाइटेक। वेलकम टू एक्टिविटी लेक्चर नंबर 6. Today we will learn about how to make any client operating system as a member of domain controller. Suppose you have a laptop in which Windows 10 or Windows 11 is already installed, and you have a domain controller with the name of Spytech and Papa.com, Mama.com, anything else. It's your choice, and you wanted to make a client operating system or client machine member of domain controller. So how you can achieve that? So let's see how we can do this. So take a scenario. I have a controller with the name of spytech.com, and I have a client machine. Uh, in client machine, Windows 10 is already installed, and my domain controller IP address is 192.168.1.25. So first we will look about how we can configure IP address of client machine because it's very important. जब तक आपका क्लाइंट मशीन डोमेन कंट्रोलर के नेम से पिंग नहीं करेगा तब तक आपका क्लाइंट मशीन जो है वो आपका डोमेन में ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकता. सो मेरे पास यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं दो मशीन रन कर रही है. फर्स्ट इज सर्वर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम 2016 एंड सेकेंड वन इज विंडोज 10. तो what I will do, I will go to Windows 10 and I will make this Windows 10 machine as a member of Windows Server 2016. And in Windows Server 2016, Active Directory is already installed and domain controller already configured with the name of spytech.com. So first I'm going to our domain controller and let's check our domain controller is working fine or not. So for that you just need to run spytech.com, and here you can see, sorry, it's wrong, spytech.com, and here you can see it's pinging. It's pinging means my domain controller is working. Now I'm going to client machine, which is here you can see already Windows 10 is installed. So first what I need to do, I need to configure IP address. So see how we can configure this. So first open command prompt, run, type cmd. So what I'm going to do, I'm just trying to ping my domain controller for checking like my Windows 10 is able to ping domain controller or not. Here you can see started pinging. Now he found where is my spytech.com machine located. So let's make this system as a member of domain controller. So for that, open File Explorer. Go to this PC, right click on this and click on Properties. Click on Change Setting. Returns. Here you can see you will get two things. One is workgroup, second one is domain. So if you wanted to make this computer as a member of domain controller, so here you need to type the name of domain controller. So I'm going to type spytech.com and hit enter. Once you click on OK, here you can see the directory domain controller for the domain Spytech could not be contacted. Ensure that the name is typed correctly because we still did not configure IP properly. So what you need to do again, we need to go into network, double click on this, click on properties and click on TCP IP version 4, click on properties again. So here you can see it has obtained an IP address automatically. So what you need to do, you need to click on use the following IP address. Here I need to type IP address manually 192.168.1. I'm typing here 26. So here you need to make sure you cannot assign same IP address to two different computers. Okay, so you need to assign two different class of IP addresses. So here I have taken class C of IP addresses. So I already assigned 25 to domain controller. So here I am assigning 26 to my client machine. Default gateway there should be 192.168.1. 1. And in DNS, I need to type domain controller IP address. My domain controller IP address is 192.168.1.25. Then click on OK. Click on close. Click on close. Now again, go here, type OK. Once you type, here you can see. Now this prompt has been opened. So here what you need to do, you need to type admin credential of domain controller. So my username is administrator and type here password. Click on OK. Once you click on OK, here you can see if your credential is right, you will get here again. Click on close and click on restart. So now my this system has been joined in the domain. So now let's go to server operating system and let's create a user. Rules Active Directory users and computers. So what I need to do, I need to create a user. Okay, I need to create an user. So now I'm going to my OU and there is some person who came into IT. So I just going to create a user. Here you need to type first name. So I'm typing let's take a user test user test dot user. This is the login name. Click on next. User cannot change the password. Here you need to type password 123. Next. So it's your choice if you want that user must change password at next logon. Once you check mark on this, so whenever user try to log in, he need to be change the password of his account. So let's finish this. Now I'm going to client machine again. Let's check. So now still it's restarting. So I have created the user on domain controller with the name of test.user. So now let's check the test.user can log in on client machine or not. If test.user login successfully, then it means that our Windows 10 has joined domain controller and it's working properly. So user has been created where? On the domain controller. And where user can log in? User can log in on the client machine. Okay, in Windows 10. So now click on other user. Here you need to type username. So my username is test.user. Here you need to type password. Okay, here you can see I just check mark user need to change password at next logon. So here you can see once user will log in, user get prompt to change the password. So now user is going to change the password of his account. Now click on here, you can click on forward key. The password you entered did not match. Okay, now I need to type password again. Changing password. Password has been changed. So here you can see user has logged in successfully. So this is how you can make any system, any client operating system as a member of domain controller. I think that's enough for today. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.